A year ago, I started a spreadsheet. I just realized I had no idea how much I was spending on AI tools. I knew I had ChatGPT Plus. I knew I had Claude. There was a Notion AI subscription somewhere, a Cal.com upgrade I couldn't remember activating. 3 different writing assistants, a Lovable account I used twice, so I made a column called Monthly Cost and started auditing. The total over 12 months was $2,438. I'm not embarrassed about it. I think most solopreneurs are roughly here. What I'm embarrassed about is what came next. Of those 30 tools, only 7 had paid back the subscription in under 90 days. 19 of them I'd used less than once a week. That's the receipt this video is built on, the honest one. So if you're sitting there with a vague suspicion that you're overpaying for AI subscriptions and underusing most of them, yeah, you probably are. Let's go through what I learned. First, why most AI ROI articles are wrong. If you Google best AI tools for solopreneurs, you get 1,000 listicles. They all rank tools the same way: features, integrations, pricing, customer reviews. None of them ask the only question that actually matters: did this tool save you the time and money it cost? Because here's the thing. A tool that's free can still cost you 10 hours of setup. A tool that's $20 a month can save you 10 hours and pay for itself 5 times over. The number on the price tag is the smallest part of the calculation. The right question isn't, is this tool good? It's, did this tool earn back its cost, including the time I spent learning it, within 90 days? That's the test. Not feature parity, not category leader. Payback in 90 days, including the operator time cost. Most AI tool reviewers don't have this number. I started tracking it. The results were brutal, the 4-question test. Before I subscribe to anything new now, I run 4 questions. 1. Would I pay this monthly cost in cash, every month, manually, just to keep using this tool? If the answer is, I'd cancel if Stripe charged me manually, that's a no. 2. Am I using this tool for work I was already doing or work I'm about to start doing? Tools that augment existing work pay back fast. Tools that enable new work usually don't, because if you weren't doing the new work before, you probably won't do it after. 3. How long does it take me to get value from this tool without checking documentation? 60 seconds is great, 5 minutes is okay, 20 minutes is a no. 4. What does this tool replace? If the answer is nothing, it's just additional, that's usually a no. If it replaces a tool I'm already paying for, I cancel one before subscribing to the other. Those 4 questions filtered out a lot of subscriptions before they happened. Now, the 7 tools that paid back. I'm not going to read all 30 out. The full breakdown is on growthcoach4u.com/blog. I'll link it in the description with payback periods and notes on each. But here's the 7 that actually earned their money. Number 1, ChatGPT Plus, $20 a month. I use it daily for writing assistance, schema generation, quick refactors. Payback period, about 2 weeks. Number 2, Claude Pro, $20 a month. I use it for longer context work, strategy docs, document review, multi-step reasoning. Payback period, also about 2 weeks. Number 3, Notion, $10 a month plus the AI add-on. I run my entire studio in Notion. Without it, I'd lose maybe 3 hours a week to context switching across tools. Payback period, under a week. Number 4, Cal.com. Free at the tier I use, but I pay $15 a month for the team feature because I run multiple calendars. The cost saved versus my old Calendly plus Zapier setup pays back in about 3 weeks. Number 5, Behave. Free at my volume. Costs me $0, generates more email signups than I had a year ago. So technically infinite ROI, but I want to mention it because the free tier is genuinely useful. Number 6, Pexels and Canva, both free. Bundling these because I use them daily for thumbnails and pin design, free tier pays back instantly. Number 7, Loom free tier. Async video, use 3 times a week minimum, free. So out of my 7 worth it tools, 5 are paid, 2 are free. Total monthly spend on the keepers, about $70 a month, all in. The 19 I canceled. The bigger story is what I canceled. 3 different writing assistants, kept ChatGPT and Claude, dropped the rest. A copywriting tool that promised AI-powered hooks, I never used it. 2 SEO tools that I bought during traffic anxiety episodes, canceled. A second brain knowledge management tool, redundant with Notion. 3 AI image generators with overlapping use cases, kept Canva, dropped the rest. The pattern was the same in every cancellation. The tool was good. I'd used it twice. I'd never built it into a workflow. It was sitting on my dashboard charging me $20 a month while I forgot it existed. That's the real cost of subscription drift. It's not the cost of any one tool. It's the cumulative cost of tools that almost but not quite made it into your daily workflow. What I'd do differently. If I started over today, I'd run a 30-day cancellation audit before adding any new AI subscriptions. Cancel everything except the must-haves. Re-add only the ones I genuinely missed within 30 days. That's the actual cost-saving move. Not finding cheaper tools, canceling the ones you don't use. I built a free Notion template that does this audit in 5 minutes. Link in the description, no email required. And the full 30-tool directory with payback periods is on growthcoach4u.com/blog. If this was useful, the channel posts 1 essay every Wednesday. Subscribe and I'll see you next week.